This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Renata Mason. Wonderful mid-county location for the well-maintained 3-bedroom 2-bath single-level home. Open floor plan, bright and welcoming. Recently updated laminate flooring, fresh paint, gas fireplace, stainless appliances. Sits on quiet cul-de-sac with huge fenced backyard with alley access, room to build a shop. Front and back decks to enjoy the peaceful setting. Great bonus space in sunroom off dining area which has beautiful Mount Baker view, not included in square footage. Meridian School District. For more information, review the details below.